Fundamental concepts of computer basics. Computers are ubiquitous in our modern world, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Understanding the fundamental concepts of computer basics is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the digital landscape. In this presentation, we'll explore the key elements that make up the world of computing, from hardware and software to operating systems and networking. Hardware and software. Hardware. The physical components of a computer, such as the central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, RAM, hard drives, and peripheral devices like monitors, keyboards, and mice, are collectively known as hardware. These tangible parts work together to power the machine and enable its functionality. Software. In contrast, software refers to the programs and operating systems that run on the hardware. This includes the Windows, Mac OS, or Linux operating systems, as well as applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, and Adobe Photoshop. Software provides the instructions that allow the hardware to perform various tasks and functions. Input and output devices. Input devices. Input devices, such as keyboards, mice, scanners, and touchscreens, are used to enter data and commands into a computer. These devices allow users to interact with the system and provide the necessary information for the computer to process and respond. 2. Output devices. Output devices, on the other hand, are used to display or communicate the results of the computer's processing. Common output devices include monitors, printers, and speakers, which allow users to view, print, or hear the output generated by the computer. Operating systems and file systems. Operating systems. An operating system, OS, is the software that manages the hardware and software resources of a computer, providing common services for computer programs. Popular operating systems include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, each with its own unique features and capabilities. File systems. The file system is the method and data structure used by the operating system to manage files on a storage device, such as a hard drive or solid-state drive, SSD. Common file systems include NTFS, FAT32, and HFS+, each with its own strengths and limitations in terms of storage capacity, security, and compatibility. CPU and memory. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer, is responsible for performing the basic arithmetic, logic, control, and input-output operations that make the computer function. It is the main component that executes the instructions provided by the software. Random Access Memory, RAM. RAM is a type of volatile memory that stores data and instructions temporarily while the computer is running. It allows the CPU to access information quickly and efficiently, enabling the computer to perform tasks in a timely manner. Storage devices. In addition to RAM, computers also use various storage devices, such as hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs, to store data and programs permanently. These storage devices provide long-term, non-volatile storage for the computer's files and applications. Networking and data. Networking. Networking is the process of connecting computers and other devices to share resources and information. This can be done through local area networks, LANs, wide area networks, WANs, or the global network known as the Internet. Networking allows for the exchange of data, collaboration, and remote access to resources. Data and databases. Data is the information processed and stored by a computer, which can take various forms, such as text, numbers, images, or multimedia. Databases are organized collections of data that are stored and accessed electronically, allowing for efficient management and retrieval of information. Computer security and troubleshooting. Computer security. Computer security involves the measures taken to protect computers and their data from unauthorized access, malware, and cyber threats. This includes the use of antivirus software, firewalls, and other security protocols to safeguard the system and its information. Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is the process of diagnosing and resolving problems or issues that arise in a computer system. This can involve identifying and addressing hardware failures, software glitches, or connectivity problems, helping to ensure the smooth and reliable operation of the computer. The evolving landscape of computing. Advancements in hardware. The steady progression of computer hardware, with faster CPUs, larger storage capacities, and more efficient memory, has continually pushed the boundaries of what computers can accomplish. These advancements have enabled the rise of powerful devices, from smartphones to cloud computing. Evolving software and operating systems. Alongside hardware advancements, the software and operating systems that run on computers have also undergone significant evolution. From the early days of command line interfaces to the modern, user-friendly graphical user interfaces, the way we interact with and utilize computers has transformed dramatically. Connectivity and the Internet. The advent of the Internet and the ability to connect computers and devices globally has revolutionized the way we access information, communicate, and collaborate. The Internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, enabling a wealth of possibilities and transforming the way we live, work, and learn. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Computers.